Alright, this is your mompreneur Roselle. I will share with you how I check my comments on each video that I upload on YouTube channel. So making sure that you have a YouTube Studio on your mobile. You can download it or you can install it on your mobile. I'm using my Samsung Android. So just go to your Play Store and then you can search YouTube Studio and then that's it. Just follow the instruction as easy as 1 2 3. All right, how I check my audience comments? I go to comments and then the recent comment that I have, it will show on the top. So like this, I have this from Miss Marian. So what I did, checking out this message, I reply with hard comment. Same time, I put a reply. I just finished to give a reply, and I type this. Thank you so much, sis or sister, something like that. Then on each video, you will see on each video which video he or she give a comment. So it's very easy. Okay, just like that. See, even 15 hours ago, you will see here in your all the comments from your audience, from your subscribers, right? So if you don't have yet the YT Studio application on your mobile, then go to Play Store and then install it accordingly. It will ease your life to check all the comments of your on each video that you upload in your channel. So aside from that, you can see also the likely spam or the spam comments that you have on each video that you upload, like this. So I have spam comments. So I didn't approve yet because I need to study which one I need to approve or which one I need to erase, something like that. Because I need to sort it out and check why their comments goes to spam comments. So we need to do some case study on how to avoid that one. We will do a research or self-study and or ask someone who's very professional in YouTube. All right. So I hope it helps you this short tutorial that I did, and see you on my next um, video. Thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, I really appreciate if you can give a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the ring so that you will always notified every time I have a new video or every time I do a live streaming. So there's a lot of fun when you join my live streaming. Thank you so much and enjoy your YouTube uh, uploading videos in your YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.